The first case of a rare complication from coronavirus in children has made its way to Riverside County. News Channel 3's Taban Sharifi is live in studio with more. Taban.
Thanks, Peter. Yes, health officials urge that this complication from COVID-19 is rare and not necessarily something to worry about, but it is something parents should be aware of. Here are some details about the syndrome and what symptoms parents should know.
As we move forward with schools opening, that this is something parents really should be aware of and to look out for.
Riverside County health officials have confirmed the first case of Multisystem Inflammatory Syndrome in children, or MISC, in Riverside County. Public Health Officer Dr. Cameron Kaiser discussed the case Tuesday morning in a virtual meeting with county supervisors.
This is a COVID-19 associated pediatric syndrome, which fortunately is quite rare, but can cause serious illness, inflammation, and multiple body organs and symptoms.
The patient is a child under the age of 15 who lives in western Riverside County. Closer to home, health officials say another possible case involves a patient from the Coachella Valley.
It was the lungs, the kidneys, his heart.
Last month, News Channel 3 spoke to the mother of 15-year-old Isaiah Munoz from Coachella. She told us he is recovering from a COVID-19 complication.
After the second day of being here in Loma Linda, that's when they told us that it was the MIS/C.
Almost all cases, 99.9%, have been COVID-19 positive at one point. Usually the onset of this is about 2 to 4 weeks after the infection.
Parents need to be aware of the warning signs, which include high fever, rash, red eyes, lips and tongue, and stomach pains.
And the earlier you catch it, the less complications you have in terms of organ injury.
Bottom line, if you have concerns about your child, contact your doctor.
I think if I wouldn't have took him to a hospital and I would have waited, and he wouldn't have made it.
Health officials say there's no evidence that this case had anything to do with reopening of schools. While this case is a first for Riverside County, since August 24th, there have been 47 cases reported in California. Live in studio, Taban Sharifi, News Channel 3.